Parts of a circle. So what we're going to look at here are names for parts of a circle. Names that you really need to know. This red dot here indicates the center of the circle. A line that goes from the center to the outside, and the outside of a circle, I'm just going to notate it here, is called the circumference. So I'll just put that in blue to make that clear, that what we're talking about with the circumference is the outside bound of the circle. So a line that goes from the center to the circumference is called a radius. And the plural of that, if you have more than one, is radii. A line that goes across the circle is called a chord. The special one that goes through the middle, so it's a chord that goes through the center, that's called a diameter. And it's worth noting here that a diameter, if we just draw the second radius here, a diameter is twice as long as the radius. The pink section there that's shaded is a semicircle. Literally half of a circle. In the next diagram we have a chord again, and it splits the circle into two parts known as segments. So this one is a segment, but so is the one down here. That's also a segment. So the big one is called the major segment, and the small one is called the minor segment. In the next diagram, in black there is indicated an arc. But it's worth noting that the rest of the circle here, the rest of the circumference, is also an arc. The longer one is called the major arc, and this one here would be the minor arc. When we get a slice of pizza, like the green part of this diagram, that's called a sector. So don't get segment and sector confused. Sector is a slice of pizza. But this bit is also a sector. So the big part is called the major sector, and the small part is called the minor sector. A line which just touches the circumference of a circle at a point is called a tangent.